Good day fam! Welcome to day 4 in Victoria Part 2. Dito kami sa Johnson Street Bridge. Ito yung bridge na tumataas pagka may malaking boat na tatawid. Also, malapit lang to sa Chinatown. And then we head on to... nagpunta kami sa tapat ng Legislative Assembly of British Columbia. Maganda yung harapan niya. It's like a big park. And then we tour inside. There's Demi in front of it. And then inside nga, marami tayong makikita mga artifacts na ginagamit nila noong I don't know what year, but yung mga naka-display. So mostly dito, mga pictures lang ang kinuha namin. Hindi kami gano'n nag-video. Because there's a lot na mas magandang kunan ng picture. And then pagkatapos na ito, dumiretso kami sa Fisherman's Wharf. Nag-quick lunch kami. We had halibut, fish and chips, and burger. And then we went straight to Butchart Garden right after eating. Medyo nawala yung mga video clips ko nung Fisherman's Wharf. But anyways, let's look at the garden. Ang price nila dito is about $40 a person. May sulit na siya kasi from parking pa lang mararamdaman nyo na yung binayad nyo is worth it. Kasi super organized and everything's clean and ang gaganda ng mga flowers at yung kanilang Japanese area, which is this one. I was waiting for the water to fall. There. And then we are nearing our end of our day trip in Victoria Island. Ito na nga, nakapila na kami going to the ferry. Let's watch the ocean. And outside is Mama Bear and Demi enjoying their bonding time. And then soon enough, lalabas ako para manggulo. Oh, there's Kuya Charles also to join before me. Kaya lumabas na ako kasi nainggit na ako. I'm right there. And this time, si Kuya Charles nga gustong lumapit at tignan yung ocean ng a bit closer. Pero kung nakikita niyo yung hawak niya sa bar, alam na alam yung natatakot siya. Ito na nga at malapit na tayo sa Vancouver. Because from this view, we can see the pier. And then, time to go back to the hotel. At dito na nga ulit nagtatapos ang ating part 2 ng day 4 in Vancouver. That's it, pansit. See you guys next time. Subscribe.